Hey everyone, welcome back to the ViWizard YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Tidal playlists to your computer. By the end of the video, you'll have all your Tidal tracks saved locally as DRM-free files, so you can transfer them to any device you like. Before we get into the steps, make sure to download the ViWizard Tidal Music Converter. The link is in the description below. You'll also need a Windows or Mac computer and an active Tidal subscription. Once you've got everything ready, let's get started. First, open ViWizard and log into your Tidal account to access your playlists. Select the playlist you want to download. Click the Add Music icon at the bottom right. Then choose Add to List to add the songs to the conversion queue. Next, click the menu icon and go to Preferences. Under the Conversion tab, select your preferred output format and audio quality settings. Make sure to choose an output folder so you know where your files will be saved. Click OK to apply the changes. Now, hit the Convert button to start the download and conversion. Once it's done, click the folder icon to open the output folder. You'll see all your converted music files there. You can right-click a file and check its properties to confirm the format and quality. Now you're free to play these tracks on any media player, and they'll stay on your computer forever.
I do my makeup in.
That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.